Firehouse by Mercer. Today my class is going to the firehouse. I dress like a fireman. Time to fight a fire! This is Fireman Joe. This is his dog, Sparky. Sparky is a fire dog. Fireman Joe has boots. He has a jacket. He has a helmet. I have boots. I have a jacket. I do not have a helmet. Joe slides down the pole. Sparky howls. That is what he does when there's a fire. We see a fire truck. It is big. It is red. It has hoses and a ladder. Joe checks the hoses. He lets me help. Whoosh goes the water. This hose is working fine. Joe checks the ladder. He goes up and up. He is in the sky. Hello, Fireman Joe. Joe checks the siren. It goes, oh, ee, oh. The siren is very loud. I cover my ears. Joe tells us about fires. He tells us smoke goes up. When smoke goes up, we must go down to the floor. I get on the floor. Joe tells us what to do if we are on fire. Stop, drop, and roll. I stop, drop, and roll. Fireman Joe smiles. He has a surprise. He reaches into his truck. How much for everyone? I put on my helmet. Joe tells me I will be a good fireman one day. Ding, ding goes the fire alarm. I wave goodbye to Fireman Joe. I wave goodbye to Sparky. It's time to fight a fire. Fireman Joe is ready to go. Sparky is too.
Just Go to Bed by Mercer. I'm a cowboy, and I round up cows. I can lasso anything. Dad says, it's time for the cowboy to come inside and get ready for bed. I'm a general, and I have to stop the enemy army with my tank. Dad says, it's time for the general to take a bath. I'm a space cadet, and I zoom to the moon. I capture a robot with my ray gun. Dad says, this giant robot has captured the space cadet and is going to put him in the bathtub right now. I'm a sea monster attacking a ship. Dad says, it's time for the sea monster to have a snack. I'm a zookeeper feeding my hungry animals. Dad says, feeding time is over. Here are the zookeeper's pajamas. I'm Super Critter, flying over the city. I'm a train engineer being chased by bandits. Dad says, the bandit chief has caught you, so put on your pajamas. But I'm a race car driver, and I just speed away. Dad says, the race is over. Now put on these pajamas and go to bed. I'm a bunny hopping around my garden. Dad says, just go to bed. But I'm a bunny, and bunnies don't sleep in a bed. Mom says, shh. Dad says, go to sleep. Well, maybe a tired bunny could sleep in a bed. Just this once. Good night, little critter. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Lab lab.